What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my crypto journey. My name is Rodney, and Terareum going absolutely bananas today, up 20%, looking very, very, very strong after that crazy parabolic rise, huge pullback, and now we're seeing some strong support over in the 50 range, bounced off of that, and is slowly climbing up. Now, of course, the other day I was able to take profits in the 9 range. Why? Why was I able to call the top on this exact token? Now, I was actually out on a walk with my dog and my wife, and my buddy Biz texted me and said, hey, yo, Terarium's about to burn a zero. To me, that's a milestone in which a lot of investors take profits. So shout out to you, Biz. I would have never known if you didn't hit me up. And then I live stream and those sorts of things. Now, usually a milestone like $1 billion market cap or $500 million market cap, or sometimes burning a zero, is a huge deal for a token. So in my head, I'm like, well, other investors are probably going to take profits, and they did. Now, of course, I didn't sell my whole bag. I only took a little bit out of my bag because I believe in this project long term, but it's good to make some money right on the way up. I mean, that's what you want to do. Now, this thing has been looking extremely healthy. It's not a pump and dump, right? Look at the launch. The launch went super smoothly, right? It pulled back a little bit, traded sideways for quite a bit, slowly started increasing, and then boom, straight parabolic rise for about 3 or 4 days straight, which is absolutely insane. And we're seeing a nice modest run right now. This is what you want to see, a nice modest run. Now, parabolic rises like these scare me because the harder and faster it goes up, the harder it falls. And it took a few days for this to happen. Like, a lot of people were asking me like, hey, like, Rodney, is it too late to buy in this range? I was like, I don't know. Like, I don't like to buy at the top. Now, I wasn't on the pre-sale, so I didn't have to worry about anything, but I actually waited to take profits until we got to this spot. So I didn't take profits anywhere in here until we got to this spot, and I hit my goal, right? So it all depends on your goals. Have a plan, because as long as the income is outcome, right? Excuse me. As long as the outcome is income, you are never going to lose in this game. People can say what they want about your investment choices. Even if you invest $1,000 and you only earn $200 off that investment, you still made money at the end of the day. Now, a perfect kind of description for this situation. Dr. R says, hey, crypto Terarium fam, Terarium is in God mode, the technology you can trust. So he's fired up, big D energy. I love it, Dr. R, love it, love it, love it. And apparently there's going to be some news on the way for Terarium. Is it going to be another exchange? We don't know. It's going to be very, very interesting. Of course, we do know when they hit 10,000 holders, they are going to do a 1 quadrillion burn, which is absolutely insane. And I believe they're up. Yeah, we're up around 7,700 holders, so not too far away. All it does is it takes like one piece of good news for the holders to start pouring in. And of course, it is trending on DEX Tools, hot number 3. It's been trending pretty much ever since it came onto the platform, and a ton of liquidity. Now, I love seeing a lot of liquidity in projects. Why? Because they have available money to spend in other places, whether they need to get on exchanges, whether they need to buy some things or make partnerships or whatever the case is. All that available liquidity is going to be good for a project long term. Now, the market cap is currently a little more than $250 million, right? I think they actually touched right about $500 million market cap, if not closer. So this thing has a ton of room to grow. Of course, they are going to start beta testing the actual centralized exchange, because that's its use case very, very soon. I can't wait to see what they come up with. And honestly, if they can do well in their own right, this is going to be big for the holders in Terarium. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. What do you think of Terarium? Are you in on the ride? Have you taken profits? How much money have you made on this project? The comments I get from people telling me how much money they made has been absolutely insane. I'm interested to hear your opinion. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.